Let's take question. Are you okay to me? Why? Why? Yesterday I'm no. The things going, people don't know. Yeah, nobody know tomorrow. Let's think. Yeah. Thinking about your life. Don't think about it. Anybody for life. Yeah, when I tell the truth. Why? I tell my enemies to try to push me when I'm regard me. Then my enemies to try to destroy my things. It's a liar. I saw my enemies to try to destroy my life. It's not so easy. It's a liar. Why? You okay to me? Yeah. No, you feel everything. Yesterday I saw you be crying. What is happening to you? I saw you road by, don't see me. And if not a corner people when I'm watching the things about going a while be for the day come for my life. It's not so easy to you get me the car. My enemies to cover for my wife to try to destroy nothing. I know everybody be still under for my things, so you can try to destroy it. Yeah, just the one I got. Man, it just gonna bother you. Yeah. Are you okay to me? You were ready. Listen to me. I wanna see everything. This is my life. I know many people to pretend to say he love me. It is a liar. It's a liar. Don't try. Yeah, what you strive about the thing before you make the wrong thing. Yeah, know what it's done. Jack. Yeah, 2 eyes of me. By night what I call for. Listen to me what I got. 2 eyes of me for the after talk with the girl me. Don't cry. Yeah. Just the one girl me. Minister God. People wanna try to destroy my things. Salada for my life. It's my enemy. Take it out for the everybody wanna